Everybody, how are you? Today is a wonderful sunny day. It's still sort of morning, 9:52, and I'm spending most of the day at home. So I'm gonna be doing some home chores, but the main thing that excites me, some first for this season, for this year, gardening jobs. I have my puppies with me. That's one. And the other one is right there. He likes it there. And a side note, I don't really have a garden, but I do have a balcony that I turn into a garden, and I will insert some clips from previous years so you can see that it's true. And for those who are new here, hello, my name is Natalia, and my channel is mostly about personal style, affordable fashion, but it's also about style of living. It's not only a stylish but very cozy channel. Please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos that I upload. And let me know in the comments below if you do have a real garden and what are you doing in it now in March. So let's go. I am well prepared. I have my gardening gear sort of. So let me show you the balcony. So it's pretty typical. That door is the electric technical door, but this balcony fits bench. Very comfortable actually, and it was very cheap in at home. Is it the store? I'll write down in the description. So yeah, I do have this here, and in summer I have a table here. I'll show you, I'll add the clips. And there's my part of my garden where I actually grow fruit and veggie, and I also use the area right here and right here, and this is the little window that is facing our breakfast area. It's kind of kitchen and breakfast area. Sweet peas from autumn, I just left them here, and we can plant something here and down there. So you can probably see there are little shoots. It's the spring onion. Here something is also shooting. I don't remember what that is. This should be thrown away. We'll do it later. And I store some stuff under the bench, some fertilizers. And here you can see these are alpine strawberries. They stayed in a good shape over the winter. This is garlic. This is starting to grow leaves. That's a raspberry bush, and there is a bush of blueberries. So I was thinking about pruning it, but this one is new. So I think because blueberries usually grow fruit on the first year branches, I think I will not even prune it. I will just check if anything needs No, Chuck, without your help. Anything needs to be cut off, anything that is like dead and dry. But other than that, I will just leave it as it is and see how it goes. We will also the floor. I do have a rug that comes here, and in summer, I use this rug. It's an outdoor rug, and because the floor is made of concrete, it's nice to have it, the rug. So, for example, if it's a little cooler, you don't feel that cold from the floor. But honestly, in our climate, it's mostly always too warm. But rug gives a nice touch, a cozy touch. So the plan for today, to plant something and to clean something. Oh, I also have a bird feeder here. We do have birds that come back each year and use it, and also we have this wonderful pine, I mean two of them actually, old pine trees that also have nests sometimes and some birdies, so it's nice to support them. I also want to say that these plants right here, where the tower, in summer it's outside, so only for the winter the tower is inside, because most of the plants on it are actual flowers that like warm weather, like geraniums and some other ones. And I think I will check the forecast, but I think very soon I will be able to put it on the balcony. It's in the corner, so even if it freezes a little bit at night, the corner of the balcony I feel is a little warmer than outside. And these are the plants that need a lot of sun, so they will go back to the balcony. And most of this area will be plant free. There will be some herbs here, and my fig tree will stay here. The fig tree, I call him he. The fig tree, he likes this area because he has light both from that window and from this window, but not too much of direct light. And see how it grows. Yeah, it's almost like soon will be touching the ceiling. And I bought it, it was small. It was like, I bought it in Aldi like 4 years ago, I think. I already changed the pot to a bigger size twice. But it's feeling fine here so far. I'm not pruning it. I'll probably clean leaves because Chaka, stop. Because some leaves are pretty old and they got dusty. Overall, it's in good condition, but maybe not today. So yeah, so most of this area in the breakfast area in the kitchen will move to the garden. Let's start with this little dill planting kit. It's just so cute. I couldn't not buy it. It was on sale in Joann's, and it came with this little terracotta. It says that there should be seeds, and I think there should be some soil. It was just very, very, very cute. Okay, so I just changed the light a little bit so you can see. Let us open it and see what's inside. Okay. It's a substitute for soil. If you add water, it will grow in size and will fill the pot. Buzzy seeds, organic deal. Ooh. 100% natural and non-treated. Okay, I had to move on the floor. So, the kit didn't have a saucer, so I'm adding a saucer, and I'm adding some water. It says about 5 tablespoons. Now we'll fluff it up. Chuck wants to eat the soil, but we'll not give it to him. No, Chucky, no. Look at these popsicles. That's Cooper. That's Chuck. Cooper is a quiet, smart one. This one is a noisy, smart one. So I'll be cleaning out the mulch that I use for my plants, which were staying over winter on the balcony. For mulch, I was using just the pine needles, pine leaves from those 2 pines that are growing outside our balcony. They worked really well, and you know, pines are evergreen trees, but in autumn they do lose, I would say, about maybe 1/3 of their leaves, of their needles. So I mulched my strawberries and my alpine strawberries with those needles, so they stay warm and moist. So I remember now what that is, and this is something that I love. That's the lily of the valley. It's the flower of my childhood. So yeah, they are coming back, and I'm very excited. Every year we're buying a Christmas wreath from a charity project, and this time I want to keep the base. When it gets warmer and I will start using the balcony bench, I will put some cushions on it. I have very cute cushions. So I think this is as fluffy as it gets. So we will sow the seeds. It says that dill needs light for germination, so we will not cover the seeds with soil. We will just spray them over like that and slightly push in so they don't fly away. Okay, so we'll spray a little water. Over it. Yeah. And see how it goes. So a few hours have passed. I had a wonderful nap, did some errands too, and I'm gonna plant spinach. Spinach likes cold weather, so if it goes a little bit below freezing at night, that's okay. And I bought it last year. It was freshly packed, so the seeds should be fine. Okay, let's do it. So the soil is moist, but not like wet like it used to be, like it was in the morning. That's what I mean. And there are just a couple bulbs of spring onions. We'll take them out and plant elsewhere. Yes, I'm using the regular fork, but that's totally fine. Okay. Then spinach likes moist soil. I used to have spinach here last year. It was good. It was growing well. Okay. So we'll just have little holes done with my finger, and then I'll do a couple seeds in each hole. Like so. Okay. And now we are chuck ones out and leaving like that. Hopefully next week they will start germinating. And this is my journal that I started last year, where I write down what I'm doing to my plants. And yeah, I'm not always that organized, but I enjoy doing it when I remember. So I will write down. This is the 2024 gardening season page. So far only couple fertilizers that I added to water. That's all the what I have for 2024 so far. But I'll write down that today I planted dill and spinach, so I know when to expect them to germinate. Okay. And I'm highlighting the dates, so it's visually easier for me to find them. Okay, we're done for today. It is just a few days later and everything is growing so fast now, even showing some first flowers. So I hope you like my video, and if so, please remember to put thumbs up, stay cool, and I'll see you in my next one.